Back to Dr. Fauci. He discussed everything from the state of the state to schools reopening. Channel 3's Matthew Campbell is here now. And Matthew, some very encouraging words from the nation's top doctor today.
Yes, Dennis, very encouraging indeed. With an infection rate hovering around 1% for more than a month, Dr. Fauci says Connecticut is in a good place. And he says that means schools can and should reopen. While the numbers in Connecticut remain steady, unfortunately, it's the younger population that's getting infected more. And that fact is a double-edged sword because on one hand, the likelihood of people in this age range surviving the coronavirus is higher. But on the other hand, if younger people who are not showing symptoms and unknowingly carry the virus return to schools, it could be the site of a potential flare-up. Eyewitness News is your back-to-school authority, so we asked the doctor about the risks teachers and families are facing because of our situation with the younger population.
There is always a risk, but I think if we, as he said, depending upon what level you're in, my approach is always, and I'll say it whether I'm in Connecticut or in any other place, is that the default position should be to try as best as you possibly can to open up the schools for in-person learning for the following reason. It's important for the children because of the psychological benefit, and in some places, even for the nutrition of children who rely on the breakfast and the lunches in school for proper nutrition.
Now, Dr. Fauci went on to say opening schools is also crucial for parents so they can continue to work as opposed to doing homeschooling. Now, Dr. Fauci did say if the infection rate remains low, like we're seeing, there's very little chance of infection being spread. So he says keep doing what we're doing with mask and social distancing enforcement. Live above the newsroom, Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.